30 years ago, I actually spent a night at the Baltimore Science Museum with my kids. And when I came outdoors on the harbor side, I saw this monster piece of artwork. It was just tubes that seemed to float in air. So here I am 30 years later, and I still had that image in my mind. I had to learn who was this individual that made this particular piece of art. His name was Kenneth Snelson. Long story short, he took individual pieces and allowed them to float in air simply by the tensegrity, or the tension and integrity of putting these tubes together. So these are perfectly firm, and by placing them in a mobile form rather than a stable form, they will move with the wind. The next one behind me is a different piece that is more